Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you a gun review. Part number 4, I think, of the series. So I'm gonna show you the double barrel shotgun that is not sawed off. So right here. And I think the dart gun. Dart gun right here. And the Mauser from Eva's shop, which I'm going to show you actually. No, actually we'll not be doing that today. Next episode, we'll do Eva's shop. But anyways, this is a double barrel shotgun. Similar. Firing. Reloading. Same animations. Aiming. Same. And I would not recommend this gun for hunting due to how the sawed off played, so I would not recommend it. Next one is the dart gun right here. Very small and compact. All of these two guns you can get from the crocodile dude. But yeah, here's a dart gun. Very small. Firing. Quiet. Similar to Jagger's reload. Alright. Aiming. Same as a sniper. And now we're gonna take these to a test on the crocodiles right now. Alright, chat. We're here. And now let's test these on the crocodiles. Alright, chat. We have a crocodile here. Let's lure him. Alright, one shot. Two. Three. Four. Five. Six. Seven. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 50. About 15 to 6. I mean 14 to 16. 14 to 15. Because the first shot I don't know if I made it or not. But yeah, free money. Alright, now we are having the double barrel shotgun. Very high pellets. But anyways, here's the crocodile. Yo, stop moving, boy. 2. 4. About 6 shots. Very good for hunting, actually. Better than a sawed-off version of it. And yeah, that's it, guys. See you next video. And peace.